Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to buy Vinicius Junior in FIFA Mobile. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to tap on the market, okay, and then tap on the search bar, okay, and then you will just have to tap on the enter player name and then type out the VIN. Then go to the nation or region and then look for the Brazil flag and then click on it and then tap on save and then click on search. Then you will just have to wait for a few seconds, and here you will see the different kind of Vinicius Junior. It depends on their prices, so it will depend on you if what kind of player do you want to buy according to your budget. So for example, this one, and then just tap on their profile to see the summary of this player. Okay, just you can click on the attributes and then you will see the details and the traits of that player. Now you'll just have to tap on the purchase and then click on the purchase in order to buy that specific player. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.